Hi, fifth graders. We are so proud of you and hope you have so much fun in middle school.
Fifth graders, I want to give you a big shout out for all your accomplishments over the years and wish you the best of luck. You're going to have a great time in the middle school.
Hi, fifth graders. I know you guys work so hard. I'll really miss seeing you all next year. Best of luck, and don't forget to come back and visit us.
Hi, fifth graders. I have learned so much from all of you guys through the past 6 years of being here since you were in kindergarten when I got here. I'm so proud of you, and so are all the other teachers, and we can't wait to see all the amazing things that you do.
Hey, fifth graders. It's been a lot of fun working with you this spring, and I can't wait to come hunt you down in your middle schools and be your sub. I hope you have a really nice summer, and thanks for all your hard work this year, especially with the pandemic.
Congratulations, fifth graders. You'll always be part of Nokomis.